Hey, it's Gabriel here with another business credit hack as promised. I was talking to a mentee of mine today, and luckily we had a session scheduled because he was looking to buy a seasoned corporation. And I said, listen, with this seasoned corporation, what are you attempting to do? He said, I'm looking to get some business credit. I said, okay, so that's what this session is about. He said, yes. Well, I got a tip for you. I saved him a lot of money because the seasoned corporation thing that people try to do, to buy a corporation 2 years, 5 years, 6 years season, and then go out and apply for credit, that doesn't work as much as it used to. Let me tell you why. The corporation can be seasoned for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. But lenders have gotten wise to that. So they know when you've purchased a seasoned corporation just to come to them to buy credit, and this is how they know. When they ask you about the bank account, yes, the bank account. When they say, give me your bank account information, they no longer review the age of the corporation based on the actual age of the corporation. They review the age of the corporation based on the age of the bank account. If your bank account is not seasoned 2 years, then you may not be approved for business funding. So know this, be careful when you buy seasoned corporations. Make sure that the lender you're buying that corporation for to attempt to get business credit, make sure that they don't judge the actual date of the opening of the bank account versus the date of the opening of the business or the inception of the business. Be aware of that. That's more of a credit tip / hack. It will save you thousands if you're buying seasoned corps and you don't know this. But it will also save you the frustration of filing or applying for so many business loans and being declined with a good credit score and not knowing why. It's the age of your bank account that's getting the applications declined in most cases. All right, that's your business tip / credit hack for today.